My God, these allergies.
Achoo! Who lives in a pineapple under the sea?
SpongeBob SquarePants!
Absorbed in yellow and fluorescent sea.
SpongeBob SquarePants!
My God, these allergies.
My God, these allergies.
Hot dog.
My God, these allergies.
Sa ilalim ng puti-ilaw, sa ilaw na ban, pakinggan mo ang aking sigaw.
My God, these allergies.
Oh, you make me feel so nice. It'll make me feel I'm scribbly-dibba-did-dum-da-dum-da-dee. Yeah, yeah. My God, these allergies.
My God, these allergies.
My God, third grading na.
My God, these allergies.
Excuse me. Aryo. Kumangatsi ka mo gani. Hambal ka mo excuse me. Kasimple man lang na magambal excuse po. Hindi nga makanta-kanta ka di mo niya. My God, batasan.
My God, these allergies.
Kita kasang balay. Mauni dari. Ayan. Naay eskwelahan. Wa di ay. Pangmayaman. Only rich can afford. Grabe akong mama no. Pirti kabuutan. Pero ako wa jud ko'y batasan.
Achoo! Oh my God, these allergies, type 1 immediate hypersensitivity reaction caused by Th2 IgA mast cells and leukocytes leading to vascular dilation, bronchoconstriction, edema, inflammation, mucus production, in severe cases, anaphylactic shock.